my dear people, teachers of B.Ed first year. The subject is Pedagogy of English and the paper 5th and 6th paper code number 9106. And the topic today is importance of rhythm, syntactic and semantic aspect of English. And teaching points are rhythm, syntactic aspect and semantic aspect. First point is rhythm. Rhythm makes a language musical, and this is important feature of English language, in which when a speaker speaks, sometimes he stresses some words and sometimes he does not stress the words. In Hindi, in our Hindi, there is no stressing. Hindi is a plain language, but English is not so. In English, when the word is stressed, then it is spoken with somewhat loudly. Emphasis is given on this. And when there is no stress, then it is spoken with low voice, and which gives the language a rhythmic, a musical form. For example, I have a sentence, I have given a sentence, I can recognize the person when he comes before me. Suppose someone has stolen the thing and a person has seen him and he is saying, how will he pronounce this sentence? I can recognize the person when he comes before me. He had stressed I recognize person comes me, because to give emphasis to these words, जोड़ देना, emphasis का मतलब जोड़ देना, कुछ जोर से बोलना, स्ट्रेस करना. तो स्ट्रेस करना और स्ट्रेस न करना, इससे एक रिदम बनता है, लैंग्वेज को रिदम बनता है. एंड इन दिस वे इंग्लिश इज ए rhythmic language due to the stressed and unstressed words. Every person speaks like this who is the native of England. He speaks like this, stressing some word and not stressing some word. And this is the rhythm. The quality of language is rhythm. Second quality, syntactic aspect. What is syntactic aspect? Syntactic is an adjective. This is related to the word syntax. And the meaning of syntax means, syntax is the structure of a sentence. Grammatical structure of a sentence, that is called syntax. And syntactic aspect says that every sentence is made of certain grammatical rules, and when a reader is reading and in a sentence he does not know the meaning of a word, then he can get the clue from the place of the word, where the word is placed in the sentence. Because the sentence is made of subject and predicate, and predicate contains verbs and object and complementary. When first word is not known, then that will be subject. That will be name of some person. And if just after subject will be the verb. If that is the unknown word, then that will be the verb, and he can get the clue. And if after the verb, the word will be object. Object is either noun or pronoun. Suppose I have given an example of a sentence. Johnson visited a hamlet yesterday. Now the reader does not know the meaning of hamlet. He knows that Johnson is a person. This is subject. So this will be either noun or pronoun. And this is certainly the name of a person. Visited, he know that he visited. Look the place, that is visited. And after visited, what will come? The object. And visit says that what is to be visited? A place is to be visited. So hamlet is a place. The reader can get the clue from the syntax, from the grammatical structure of the sentence. He got the clue that hamlet is a place. This is called syntactic aspect of the English language. Now again I say the same sentence. Johnson visited the hamlet yesterday. Now hamlet must be the object, because Johnson is subject, visited is verb, then after verb object will come. And the article is used before hamlet. So it is definitely a noun. Noun means it is a place. It is a place. In this way, the reader can get the clue, guess the meaning of the unknown word. Now, there is another quality of English, that is semantic aspect. Semantic, the word semantic means the meaning in language. The meaning of semantic is meaning in language. A semantic clue helps a reader to know the meaning of an unknown word by knowing the meaning of other words. If the reader knows other words, meaning of other words, and only one word is unknown, then with the help of known words, he will get the idea of the meaning of unknown word. Reader to understand the meaning of an unknown word by understanding the meaning of other known words. For an example, in the sentence, Jack filled the bucket with water. Now he knows that Jack is a person. Filled means bharna, janta hai, he knows the meaning. The bucket he does not know, Suppose he does not know the meaning of bucket. And filled and with water. Water भी जानता है कि पानी. तो filled water भरा जाता है, किस में भरा जाता है? तो he will get the clue that bucket is a pot in which water is filled. So he will know the meaning of the bucket by knowing the meaning of other words. By knowing the meaning of other words and to understand the meaning of unknown word is called the semantic aspect of English. Semantic means known, actual meaning. He knows the actual meaning of other words, but he does not know the meaning of one word. Then, due to this aspect, he will come to know the meaning of unknown word. ज्ञात शब्द सारे ज्ञात शब्द है, एक शब्द उसको मालूम नहीं है, तो ज्ञात शब्दों से अर्थ निकालते हुए वो अज्ञात शब्द का मीनिंग प्राप्त कर सकता है. He can know the meaning of the unknown person with the help of other known words. This quality is called the semantic aspect. Now there are some questions. First question, how is rhythm an important quality of English? ठीक है, रिदम अंग्रेजी की एक महत्वपूर्ण गुण कैसे है? इट मेक्स इट म्यूजिकल. Some words are stressed, some words are not stressed. So it makes the sentence not a uniform sentence but a rhythmic sentence. This is called rhythm. Stressing some word and unstressing some word is called rhythm. Second question, how does syntactic clue help to figure out? Figure out का मतलब understand. Figure out का मतलब मीनिंग निकालना, अर्थ निकालना. फिगर आउट. हाउ डज सिंटैक्टिक क्लू, क्लू का मतलब होता है संकेत, क्लू का मतलब हिंट. हाउ डज सिंटैक्टिक क्लू हेल्प टू फिगर आउट एन अननोन वर्ड्स मीनिंग. तो सिंटैक्टिक क्लू की सहायता से एक अज्ञात शब्द का अर्थ कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? So syntactic means grammatical rules. The sentence is made of grammatical rules. So knowing the place of the word, a reader can know what may be the meaning of the unknown word, whether it is subject or verb or object, and write a note on semantic aspect. Semantic aspect पे note लिखिए. तो semantic means meaning. And the reader knows the meaning of other words and he does not know the meaning of one word, then with the help of the other meaning of other words, he will guess, he will imagine the meaning of the unknown word. Okay, have a nice day, my dear pupil teachers.